Give me back my youth. You need to be the young self that you were meant to be. As a person that's aging, I really knew that it was important to support my hair, my skin, and my nails. As you age, you have more problems with your joints. You have more problems with your GI. You need collagen and colostrum. This is a cruelty-free program that we made so that the animals are treated fairly. We are the only company that has that I know of on the label. We also add colostrum, which a lot of people aren't educated on, but you need in your body. This was really important because as we become and evolve into a different world, and as we increase what we're doing, we have to remain more focused, and this helps in all areas. So to me, taking 1 teaspoon a day up to 3, I put it into my smoothies or I put it into my coffee, and it really helps me. This product helps you give you back your youth.